Dear children, it is activity page 13 for day 11. Activity page 13 for day 11. It is the LCM by taking the multiples of given number. Finding the LCM by taking the multiples of given number. It is a second method of finding the LCM. The second method of finding the LCM, that is the LCM by taking the multiples of given numbers. Now you take the example. Find the LCM of 4 and 6 by taking multiples. By taking multiples. Here you observe. First you write the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 means that is the table of 4. You know that 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. 4, 8, 12, 16. These are the multiples of 4. Then you take the multiples of 6. Which are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. All these are the multiples of 4 and these are the multiples of 6. Here you have taken only few number of multiples. Now here what is required? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. So write the common multiples first. Common multiples are 12, 24, 36. Here you observe first you 12, here 12 is there. So these two are common multiples. Again 24 is there. 24. Then 36. 36. These are the common multiples. Here we require least common multiples. So that is the smallest common multiple. Which is the smallest common multiple among these 12, 24 and 36? You know that 12 is the smallest common multiple. Therefore LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? 12. This is the method of finding the LCM by taking the common multiples of given numbers. Now you take the next one. Find the LCM of 5 and 6. Taking common multiples. Here also you write the multiples of 5 and multiples of 6. Means 5 table and 6 table you have to write. And after that mark the common multiples. Write the table of 5 and table of 6. They are the multiples of 5 and 6. You know that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30, 35 like this way, and 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 like this way. And you find the common multiples, and out of that common multiples which is the least one, which is the smallest one, that becomes the LCM. Here also find the LCM of 3 and 9. Find the LCM of 3 and 9 by taking common multiples. Write the table 3 and 9 and find the common multiples. Here you can observe that the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, so on. Multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, so on. And find the common multiples. Out of that common multiples, which is the smallest, that becomes the LCM. Next one, find the LCM of 2, 4 and 6 by taking common multiples. Here also write the table of 2, 4 and 6. They are the multiples of 2, multiples of 4, multiples of 6. So what are the multiples of 2? You know that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this way. And what are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12 like this way. And what are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, so on. And find the common multiples. Out of that which is the smallest, that becomes the LCM. Now LCM by division method. LCM by division method. This is one of the method of finding the LCM. That is the method 3. Finding the LCM by division method. Here you take one example. Find the LCM of 4, 6, 8 by division method. Find the LCM of 4, 6, 8 by division method. You write 4, 6, 8. Now first you take 2, that is the prime number, divide 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are. Again you divide it by 2, 2 1s are 3 is not divisible, write it as it is, 2 2s are. Then you take next, divide it by 2, 1 you write as it is, 3 you write as it is, and 1s are. Next here what is remaining? Here you got 1 and 1 here. Here you take 3. 3 1s are, write this as it is. The product of all this becomes the LCM. So you write LCM equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Therefore you can write LCM of 4, 6, 8 equals what? 24. 24. With the help of this hint, children, find the LCM of 4, 8, 20 by division method. 4, 8 and 20 by division method. And also find the LCM of 5, 15 and 20 by division method. Next fourth one, find the LCM of 6, 12 and 18 by division method. Here try to divide by 2 if any 2 are divisible by 2. Next you try to divide by 3, 5, like this way. Then the product of all prime factors what you got becomes the LCM of the given numbers. Here 4, 8, 20 are there. Here 5, 15, 20 are there. Here 6, 12, 18 are there. Use this method. That is the method of finding the LCM by division method.